What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today we are getting into these grow back results. You know what I'm saying? The young beard is coming in. You feel me? It's growing in nice and neat. You know what I mean? So I had to come on here, do a little derma roll session. You know what I'm saying? This is the 1.mm, you know what I mean? So that mug a little spiky, you feel me? But it's all good, it's all right. We about to get into it, let's go. Now, like I said, I think it's been about a week or almost a week since the grow back started, you know, since I shaved all this off. And it's doing good, man. Look at this. I know y'all see all that. I know y'all see that, it's starting to connect. And like I said, you can really see the weak spots right here where I got a problem with. And I want it to come on down and connect right here, which it does. It's hair there. It's hair there, you know what I'm saying? But this is my stronger side. As y'all can see the line right there and everything. Let y'all see the, you know, the bro tee. Ooh, I need to pick that out. Ooh, that look kind of crazy. That look kind of crazy, but it is what it is. It's fully covered. It just need to pick out, you feel me? But, you know, the bro tee is still bro teeing. Here go this side, as y'all can see. And you know, your boy still got weak spots right up in here. See that? But yeah, I mean, comment down below, let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I've been at it for a week, you dig? And I want this stuff to look like this all over, you know what I mean? So I don't have to worry about this being, you know, kind of patchy and looking ranchy. I want to have a full, luscious beard. You feel me? Just like everybody else who got it, I want it. And genetics don't play a factor over here, you know what I'm saying? I got cousins, first cousins, I got brothers, I got everybody in my family got a beard, you feel me? So it's only a matter of time for mine to come in. The boy just got to lose a little bit of weight, keep my skin regimen on point, you feel me? And then, hey, we'll be in there. But hey, look, we going, as y'all can see. For real though, comment down below. Tell me what y'all think. Y'all think it's gonna connect? I think it's gonna connect, you feel? I think it's gonna connect. Now, I ain't gonna cap. Using this derma roller right here, I was a little skeptical about it because it's a lot pointier, you feel me? I don't know if y'all can see that. Y'all see them spikes on there. Ooh, that mug is pointy compared to the other one. I had the 0.5mm. I still got it, but I used that for, like, you know, forehead, skin rejuvenation, and biblication. You feel me? Trying to get biblical with y'all. But this bad boy right here, it's a little spiky. So you don't want to press too hard on the skin. You want to just, you know, put it on top and boom. Hit them areas you want to see growth. Boom. Nice and slow. Make sure you take it off your face and move it over and go to the next side. Because if you dragging this and this, ooh, what? Turning the blades, I'm telling you. Whole face be red and bleeding. But yeah, that's all it take. It don't take nothing but that right there. You know? I don't really gotta hit this spot back here, but I'm doing it. And once you go up and down, you wanna take it and go this way, you know what I'm saying? Horizontal, vertical, and you wanna go diagonal, you know what I'm saying? You wanna do that on both sides. So I ain't gonna show y'all the whole routine just yet. That'll be a separate video because I don't want to keep this one super long. I just had to show y'all that one little side of how your boy do it. You know, simple. Yeah, but it ain't nothing but a thing, you feel me? It ain't nothing but a thing. You want to make sure you hit the spots that you want to see improvement to. You want that blood flow to get all in those spots. You got to get in there, you feel? Yeah, it's gonna hurt. But anyway, enough of that. Don't need my face turning red for the camera, you know what I'm saying? I need it looking okay. I can finish that later. But yes, you can get this derma roller right here. They got them on Temu for real cheap. They got them on Amazon. The same one will probably cost you maybe $10 more or $20 more on Amazon. But yeah, you can get this on Temu for like cents to $1. You feel me? So go over to Temu, get you a derma roller, whatever size you want, and yeah, or Amazon, And yeah, you'll be straight, you know what I mean? Go on and get your derma roll on, and then make sure you get the proper oil, whether that's rosemary, Jamaican black castor oil, you know what I'm saying? Do what fits you the best, because not every oil is gonna fit everybody the same. So get what works for you and your skin and get it in. Now, as far as the minoxidil, I need to go get some more. I'm, starting to run low. I got the foam and the liquid. I think I'm gonna be hitting the foam more than the liquid, you know what I'm saying? Because I just like the way it feel. It feel like face wash, you know what I'm saying? Rubbing it on your skin and stuff like that. But yeah, I need to go get some more of that. Even though here lately I've been catering more towards like the rosemary oil and the more organic stuff. Not trying to say that minoxidil ain't organic in its own sense, but it's nothing like rosemary, rose oil, Jamaican black castor oil, all of that stuff. I want some organic stuff on your boy's skin, because I'm starting this new skin regimen and I'm trying to look my best. You feel me? Gotta stay, I ain't really no pretty boy and nothing like that, but I like to stay clean and, functional. But I ain't gonna lie, if somebody come with a modeling deal, you know what I mean? I might go on and snatch it. Alright. But anyways, guys and girls, that is it for this video. I think I covered everything. I showed y'all the rundown of the beard, showed y'all the updates, mustache, soul patch, you know what I'm saying? We good. Got the locks popping. You see what I'm saying? Piggies. Hey, we good, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, you already know. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about the results, you know what I'm saying? Is your boy growing, or is he, flowing? I don't know. But anyways, I love you guys. You already know what it is. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.